Today we are discussing about a beautiful product, TVS 101 barcode scanner. In a retail business, barcode scanner is very important because when we are opening a counter, a billing counter in the morning, and when we are closing it in the evening, midnight, till time, every day we are using it. And it is very important part that we need to use a beautiful, comfortable, high-speed barcode reader. Here I will review the TVS 101 barcode scanner. They have a factory in Chennai. Almost all the part of India service centers are available for TVS brand. Here I am opening the scanner. It's beautiful and amusing, and the packing is very nice, compact, small size packing. And here you can see some warranty documents. There are a lot of documentations are there. If you have get time, you can read it one by one. And the next important thing is our barcode scanner, and it is simply packed with a very less wastage of plastics. Here you can see your amusing product, and it is very nice, well packed one. And the finished, the build quality and the finishing is super amazing. You can see over there. I will go detail one by one. There is some documentations is available along with the packing. This documentation you have to keep safely, because when your barcode scanner need to be reset or need to be bringing the default manufacturer default module, you have to scan this barcodes. So that reason you have to keep it safe. There is some instructions also available how to use it, and there is how to make it default by factory default. All the informations you will get from this catalog. The next is there is some warranty cards is available along with this package, that also you can keep it in safe. And the main thing is that the warranty is available in India, all the part. And there is some contact details available along with this package. The contact is in India itself. You can add your country code or whatever it is, and you can call them. And you can find where is the service center is available. The look wise is very nice, this TVS 101 barcode scanner. The look is beautiful. You can see this barcode in many of our post office. In the post office, they are using this kind of barcode scanner because the life should be very long, should not damage even a single part, even the cable. That's the reason the government quality control department also, most of them, they selected this model 101 model TVS. And you can see the finishing and the beauty of this scanner. It looks very nice. See the real side of this barcode scanner, and the plastics which they are used is beautiful. And each corner they have made it. It's like a user friendly part, and it is easily to do the service also. There is a screw holes, you can see over there. They can dismantle and you can do the services. It is not self-lock one, and the corners are and the gaps are, it is perfectly clear. You can see over there the finishing, the build quality, and the cable, the USB cable which they are used. It is beautiful one, and the capability and the life is very nice. See the cable, the USB cable which they have used. It is not like normal cable. It is, company cables they are using, and the 30 volt capacity voltage cables they are using. Normally for a barcode reader, it is like 3 volt or 2.5 or 3 volt, it is there. They are using 10 times bigger capacity cables, and the rubbers are there in the inside. It is very soft. Even if it is falling down also, the glass will not damage. And you can see the microchips are inside. It is well fixed over there. It is microchips, and there is a sensor also is there. It is high quality sensor, and it will give you very long life for your business, and it will be with your business, this barcode scanner, because the build quality is super amazing. I ever recommend this barcode scanner for my customers. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.